यशपालाच्या केसी भितर जो ट्रायल कोर्टान निर्णय दिल्लो ताज्या अगेन्स्ट सरकार खूप एग्रेसिवली हायकोर्टा भितर गेला. आज कितें घडलें हायकोर्टात ते जाणून घेवया. मुकेश, प्लीज टेल अस.
Pramod, again today, Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta, appeared on behalf of Goa government, and mostly the arguments were the same what was put in the amended petition copy. Tushar Mehta said that trial court has ignored the email written by Tarun Tejpal in which he had apologized to the complainant girl and entire staff. So that is the important piece of evidence which has been neglected by the trial court. Another point which was raised by the Goa government is that censoring the character, or rather we should say that character assassination of the complainant girl. So that also High Court judge also observed that it seems that while going through this judgment, trial court's judgment, it seems that they have written a manual that how should a rape victim should behave or act. So this was the important one-liner by the
And this was the High Court's observation.
High Court observation. It clearly says that there is a flaw in the judgment which has been noticed by the High Court. Though it was very initial stage, respondent Tarun Tejpal had just been issued notice. They will be given time to reply. So these are the initial things. But prima facie, the observation made by the High Court seems that the case made out by the Goa government in the appeal is acceptable, and High Court also said that the prosecution has successfully made case for the accepting this appeal, and later on the notice has been issued which will be returnable on 24th June. So again, next hearing will be on 24th.
Thanks a lot, Mukesh.